Hello, dear students of class 4th. Welcome back in your computer classes. So, as we know that we have already completed our term first course, all the chapters means 1, 2, 3, as well as the curricular activity and curricular assessment too. Okay. So, now we are starting with our revision of lesson number 3. Why lesson number 3 we are revising? Because already we have completed lesson number 1 and 2 in our unit test. Okay. So for this you can open your page number 33 on lesson number 3, which is more on MS Word. MS means Microsoft Word. Okay. So we know very well about the word processors. Okay. Why it is used to type the text on a computer. Okay, so this is a software which is used to type the software on the computer. Okay, these softwares make our work easy. Understood? So in this, MS Word is the most popular word processor used nowadays. Okay, so here it is used to type the text on a computer. Understood? So here MS Word 2007 window is given here. Okay, so what are its tools? Likewise, quick access toolbar, title bar, okay, minimize option, maximize button, then office button, and cursor, status bar, then close button, and ribbon and document area. This is our document area where we have to write the text, where we can type the text. Understood? So moving further, nextly there are two parts of the ribbon, tabs and groups, we know very well. Yes, then already we have discussed about them. So they contains commands arranged in different groups. Okay, who tabs and groups. Then home tabs is generally used for editing and formatting text. What is editing and formatting? To make the changes in our text, to make them attractive. Okay, so here three groups of tab is given. Okay, so which are those? uh, Clipboard group, font group, and paragraph group. These are three indicated here. Yes, so let us acquire more knowledge on MS Word. To how to edit a document. So first of all, this is very important thing, that how to edit a document. So before knowing the procedure, we should know what is editing. As I told you just now, that making changes in a document is editing, to make it more and more meaningful and attractive. Understood? So here it is given. So to perform editing, we should select the text first of all. For doing any changes, okay, any additional work we want to do, or any betterment changes if we have to do, so first of all we have to select the text. Okay, then how to select a text? Here it is given. You may select a part of text or the whole text according to your choice. Okay, so according to our choice we can make, if we want our text changeable half or fully or partially we have to make, then accordingly we have to select. Okay, to select text you can use both mouse as well as the keyboard. Okay, control plus, if you want to select all, then you have to click both the keys of control as well as A. Okay, and with the help of mouse also you can see. So first of all we are seeing how we can select with the help of using the mouse. Okay, so to select a single word, double click on the word. First step is to double click on the word, or to select a sentence or a paragraph or entire page. So what we have to do, place the pointer before the first letter and drag the mouse to holding down the left mouse button over the required text. Okay, we have to drag the mouse left mouse button from the starting to the end till where we have to select it. Okay, now coming toward our next page, how selecting text by using keyboard. So two types of selection we have discussed here. Which one? First one is through mouse, and next one is keyboard we are going to study here. So how to select with the keyboard? Place the cursor before the first letter of the sentence or word, hold down shift key. Okay, here it is given down shift key, and press the right arrow key. It is given on your keyboard. Okay, then till the desired portion of text is selected. Okay, till then we have to press the both the keys. Which one? Shift key as well as right arrow key. Okay, so here some quick steps are given. Okay, after little explanation, there are quick steps given which are very important, as you know that in this 3 chapters are coming and everything will come objective typely. Okay, means it is not necessary that all the things you will get from your exercise. Okay, 50% of your syllabus will be from the inside of your chapter, so that's why we are giving you again and again revision. Okay, so certainly you will get questions inside the chapter, so you have to go through the whole chapter. Okay, don't left anything. So how to copy and move text? Okay, this is very important thing. Next important thing, move and copy the text. However, you have to write a word or sentence repeatedly. You need not type it again and again. So in MS Word, you can even shift the words or sentences from one place to another. Okay, if you want to repeat our sentences or some words, then no need to write it again and again. Simply what we have to do, copy and move options are given here. So for this, we have to use the clipboard group. In the home tab it is given. Okay, for copying or moving text from one location to another. Okay, so here it is main point. For copying the text, word or sentences, you can use copy and paste command. Here steps are given. Step first, select the text, then click the home tab as I told you, then click copy from the clipboard group, then move the cursor to the place where you want to paste your text. Then fifth last one is click the paste from the clipboard group. Okay, so now moving forward, here are also steps are given, quick steps. So to copy, press Ctrl plus C, and for paste Ctrl plus V. Okay, so now moving text, how to move the text? It is also very simple. Cut or paste command. For moving, what we have to do, first of all we have to select the text which we want to move and then go on home tab, same step, then click cut from clipboard group, then move the cursor to the place where you want to paste your text, then last one is click paste from the clipboard group. And what will happen, these are the steps for moving the text. Okay, hope you have understood. Then in the bottom side also again quick steps are given. To cut text, control, simply press the Ctrl plus X, then to paste text Ctrl plus V. Okay, so now here is on page number 37. What is our next point? How to format a document. Okay, you know very well what is formatting, making changes. Okay, to make a text in a document attractive, we have to change and arrange the text. Okay, so which is known as the formatting. So what is formatting? Formatting is the changing and arranging the text to make our document more attractive. That is known as the formatting. Okay, so we can format our document using font group and paragraph group in the home tab. So here it is given, we can see from here. So for making, generally what we do in formatting, we make our letters or text in bold, italic, as well as we can underline it. Okay, three formatting steps are there. So if we want to make our text in bold, okay, so what we have to do, select the text in your, you want to make the bold. Okay, first step is to select it, then click the home tab, and from the clipboard group text becomes your bold. As earlier it was, this is the normal one, and if we are making the bold, so after making the bold it will become like this. Okay, little bit highlighted. Understood difference? You can see very well from here. So now if we will see nextly italic, it will become little bit slantly. Okay, italic. So select the text you want to make italic, click the home tab and click I on the clipboard group. The text gets italic. Okay, so now underline. Same step we have to follow. Just in third step we have to select the underline on the clipboard group, so text will become the underlined. Okay, you can see from the examples, I love my India. Okay, so now I think it is enough for today. So now what is your homework for today? This is very important, dear students. So your homework is to learn this table shortcut keys. Okay, it is very important. So control plus N, O, A, B. Okay, so these type of things you have to learn. Certainly you have to learn. Okay, learn it well. Okay, it may come in your exams also, directly or indirectly. Understood? Till then, take care.